Hi, this is Dennis from Smoke Daddy Inc. and Pellet Pro Grill. We're going to do a 16-pound brisket tomorrow on our new vertical smoker that we just came out with. It's a nice 10 cubic foot smoker. Plenty of room in there. I could do 3 of these if I wanted to. But what we're going to do is this one. I'm not going to get real crazy. We're not doing a competition. We just want to make a nice brisket, something that's nice and tender. And one of the things I've been finding out is doing them hot and fast seems to be working pretty well for us. So I'll probably do it about 325. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to trim this up a little bit. Again, I'm not going to go crazy with it. There is a lot of the hard fat here that we'd like to get out of there. I'll trim some of this other off. And this side too will get in there. Trim off a little bit of the fat. Again, I'm not going to go crazy with it. The seasonings that I like to use, I like to put a little bit of olive oil on it, and Montreal steak seasoning. I think it's got everything in there that you could want for a seasoning for it. I'm going to put a little mustard on there, and some paprika for a little color. And I'm probably going to put a bunch of garlic on it also. So with that, I'll get to trimming this, and I'll be back in a few. Alright, I trimmed the fat off that I wanted to get off of here. And again, mostly what it is just that hard fat that you get in here underneath the point and the flat. So, you know, I didn't go real crazy with it. You know, we'll get the seasoning on there. One of the things that I like to do, the grain, you got to look at the grain the way it's going here. And depending on if it's the right side or a left side, you know. But in order for me to remember where the grain is, I always like to see where the grain is. You can see it here. And I'll cut a little sacrificial piece off of here. Now that'll tell me when I go to slice it where I want to start to slice to get those nice slices like that. So what I did again, I took that hard fat out of there. I'm going to put seasoning and everything in these pockets here. Get this all seasoned up, and we'll let it rest overnight and get it on the smoker tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know if you want me, well, if you put the seasoning on, but it's pretty straightforward. Just some olive oil, some mustard, the Montreal steak seasoning, and just get it on there real nice, and you should be good. Okay, let me recap it with the seasoning part of this. I put about a cup of olive oil on here. I really put it on there pretty good. I put a bunch of mustard on there. I massaged that all in there, got it in there real nice. And then came back, sprinkled some Montreal steak seasoning on it. I put it on there pretty heavy on both sides, in the pockets there. And then I went back and put a little bit of paprika on here. And then I put some garlic. Now, depending on how much garlic you like, I like a lot of garlic, so I packed on some garlic on there. Now, I covered it with some saran wrap. I'll put that in the fridge overnight, let it rest in the fridge overnight. So, and all the oil and all the extra seasoning and everything that fell off of this, I will use that in the bottom of my water pan tomorrow. So, we will see you tomorrow. Okay, what I'm going to do is get our vertical smoker set up to do our brisket. I'm going to get it preheated, but I want to show you a product I'm going to use. We call it the Heavy D. It's a heat diffuser that you can put these large hunks of wood in to generate that extra stick burner style smoke. You put the big chunks on either side. I recommend using the biggest chunks you can. You put these baffles in there to block it off. And it's a direct replacement for your existing heat diffuser. So the way that I would put that in there, I would just remove your old heat diffuser, put this one in there, fits right over your burn pot, and you're ready to go. That burn pot will light those hunks of wood and give you some real nice stick burner style smoke for the first couple hours. So I'll put the drip pan back in here. and we'll get this all heated up, getting it ready for our brisket. So I'll come back in a few minutes and show you how that looks. Okay, I'm ready to put this brisket on. I started it at mid. It took about maybe 10 minutes at the most to get going. And as you can see, I'm starting to get some real nice smoke out of it. What I'm going to do here is put my brisket up on this top rack. What I'm going to do, I think, is to make it easier to move around later, I'm going to put these strips of tin foil underneath it so I can pick it up and move it into the broth a little bit later during the cook. So that's what we're going to do here. That's what I'm doing here. Take this brisket, put it right in there. It's good. Yeah, this thing has plenty of room. I'm sure we could do 3 pork shoulders and some more briskets in there. But that's how I'll do this one. I'll leave this tin foil up here for right now, fill up later. Now what I'd like to do underneath it is put a nice pan. Now I'm using that pan that had all the oil and the seasonings in it. And I'm going to add a little bit of hot water. This will make its own broth. Then we'll set that brisket down in a little bit later. So about an inch, 3/4 of an inch of water in there. It'll get all the juices will go down in there. So we'll get that underneath that. I'll get some probes put in there, and we'll let this go. I think I'm going to cook it at about 325. It's a little hotter and faster than what normal you hear about, but I'm having real good luck at those temperatures. So we'll get some probes in there, and we'll come back in, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 hours, and I'll show you what it looks like. I think what I'll do, I'll wait until the internal temperature gets to about 165, and then I'll put it back into that broth and cover it with some tin foil, but we'll show you that later. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes since I got this brisket started, but I just wanted to show you the kind of smoke we're getting with that. I'm pretty sure you can see it. It's coming out really nice and blue. It's a real nice nice smoke. Let's open the door here real quick. So yeah, you see that heavy D is really producing a really nice smoke. So I think that'll work out great. Okay, it's been about an hour here since we've been going, and I don't know if you can see the nice smoke that's coming out of there. Yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah, that heavy D really puts out some really nice smoke. Okay, the internal temperature of this brisket is right around 165. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull it off of here, and I'm going to put it back down into this aluminum pan with the broth. I think this works out very well doing that way. So first thing I'm going to do is take this pan of broth out of here. I'm going to taste it for some flavor, and what I like to use is a little bit of Worcestershire and some soy sauce. You can kind of get it to the taste that you want. So I already did that, so I'm going to just move on to the next step. So now with those aluminum strips in here, it makes it kind of nice to be able to grab them this way and pick this up, and we'll move it over into the broth. And that makes it a lot simpler than trying to manhandle that thing. So what I'll do, I'll pull these out of here now. Probably could have left them in, but pull them out. And what I'll do, I'll take some of this broth now and just pour it on here. Kind of help it out a little bit. Yeah, this is a real nice, easy way of doing this. Get the broth on here. Now I'm going to cover this up with some aluminum foil and put it back in there and wait until the internal temperature of the brisket is right around 202, 205. Then I'll take it out and let it rest for an hour or so. And I'm going to leave the temperature of the smoker at 325. I'll just put it down on this rack. Again, there's a lot of room on this particular smoker, man. If you're looking to do a big party or whatever, you could probably do 3 briskets in here. You could get 6 pork shoulders easy, a bunch of chickens. So again, I'll just push this back in here. Put a probe in there so I can monitor it right in the fat part of this brisket. Yeah, I can already feel it's getting close to getting done. So okay, there you go. That's our Pellet Pro vertical smoker, and yeah, it works really well. It's got nice latches here. Yeah, 3 temperature gauges on the front so you can monitor the different levels. So, thanks for looking. Go start cooking. Okay, the brisket's done. I took it off here. We're going to slice it up. And the broth that was in the bottom of the aluminum pan I put in here, so we're going to place the slices of brisket in there. So let's see, with that little notch that I made there, I know exactly where I should start to slice this. So let's take a quick look. Oh yeah, look at that. That's really nice. Yes, sir. Look at that. Nice smoke ring in there. So yeah, our vertical smoker is doing a great job. So, yep, look at that. That's really nice. That's perfect. So, very nice and tender. So there you go. That's doing a 16-pound brisket on our Pellet Pro vertical smoker. So yeah, you can get them. Go to SmokeDaddyInc.com or Pellet Pro Grill, and or give us a call, 847-336-1329. Thanks for looking. Go start cooking.